Molly would plant all the seeds, and little Ella would pull all the weeds. There you go. One day, while they sat around the dinner table, well, we sat. One day, while sitting around the dinner table, Mr. Bill heard something coming from the darkness. It was the Native Americans, and they were attacking the settlement. They stormed into Mr. Bill's home.
Get your gun, Tyler.
And very softly, gently, and carefully patted Mr. Bill on the head. and Mr. Bill collapsed and died. And the crowd said, "Oh, how sad." They then took Ellie, the small child Ellie, and Molly by the hand, and they tiptoed back to their village.